there, move it! Bring the wheelbarrow here, watch out! Let's clear this side next. Keep going.
Left side clear.
Bring the wheelbarrow.
More buckets now.
All right, bring it down slowly. Copy that, watching the hoses below.
Watch the sparks on the left.
Okay, moving up now. Clear below.
Okay, keep scrubbing that lower section.
We need more solution over here.
Watch the foam near the bins.
Get that beam secured now.
Ropes are tight, ready for the crane.
Clear the area below.
Hoist it up now.
Steady, steady.
Lower it down, easy.
We need more mortar up here. On the way, watch it. Next stone, hurry up. All right, bring it down.
Got it, watch your footing up there.
Heads up below. Heads up, sparks flying.
Keep digging over there, we need this clear by noon. Crane coming through, stand back.
Is the frame secure?
Yes, welding it now.
We need the measurements for the top panels.
Get that pipe in the trench now.
We need more mortar over here.
Coming right up, watch your feet.
Careful with the glass. Pass the drill up here.
Got it. How are the measurements looking?
They match the plans. Keep going.
We need more rods over here.
Watch out for the sparks below.
Bucket coming up, keep it moving. Hoist it up. Watch the alignment on bracket 7. Almost there, easy now.
Watch the hinge.
Almost there, keep it steady.
All right, welding now.
This section needs the finer tool. See the detail here.
All right, I'll switch it out. How does this look?
Cut that section now. Okay, I'm starting the weld. Watch out for the sparks. All right, bring it up slow. Watch the alignment on this side. Looks good, keep it steady. Set that conduit down in the trench now. Clear, keep going. Welder's ready over here.
Mask up. Got the bracket secure? Almost. Hand me the drill bit, quickly.
Steady on the left side.
Got it, bring it up. Hand me the driver, quickly.
Okay, bring it left, easy now. It's in position, hitting the bolts now. Clear the welding zone. We need more grout in this section. Coming through, watch your backs. Keep that area clear.
Make sure the depth is consistent on this curve. I'm trying, it's very detailed here.
Keep those rollers moving, we're almost halfway down. Need more sealant up here, Stat. Coming right up, keep it steady. Keep the strokes long and even on that section.
We need another can of primer up here on the double.
Watch the tarps below, don't let it drip.
Okay, lift it slowly. Watch the corner, it's heavy. Drill it in tight before it sets.
Next sheet, hurry up. Got it, lining it up now. More adhesive needed. Keep that steady on the bottom.
Almost done with this section.
All right, moving to the next one now. Keep the edges sharp on that numeral.
Got it, wiping the drip now.
Okay, the hands are bolted in tight.
Keep the strokes even along the grain.
Make sure to wipe the excess quickly before it dries.
I'll polish this section now.
Next load, let's go. Lower it steady. We need more anchors over here.
We need more adhesive on this side.
Coming right up.
Make sure the lines are straight.
Make sure the cobalt blue is exact on the cornice.
We need more saffron yellow up here, quickly.
Almost done with this section. Moving to the center.
Keep moving. Row 3.
Almost done with this section.
Hand me the next finial, quickly.
Coming right up, watch the rope. Almost secure up here.
Apply the adhesive here.
Okay, I have the leaf ready.
Make sure it's burnished well.
Hand me the burnisher. Watch the wind on that sheet. Almost done with the 12.
Lower it steady, watch the alignment.
We got the bolts in, pass the sealant over here.
Pipes connected, start the wipe down.
Align the left side.
Got it, pinning the corner now.
Bring the next roll over here. A little higher, watch the alignment.
Ropes are clear, keep going.
Bolts are secured. We are good to go.
Secure the chains on that side.
Connect the wiring, watch the timing.
All right, move along to the next section now.
Keep the water running. We are almost there.
The fountain is starting up. Looks good.
Place the chest by the window, quickly. Align the cushions here and polish the brass.
Move that table to the center now.
Next one up, watch the wiring. Got it, secure the shade. Drill's ready over here.
Okay, slowing down now. Watch the gap.
Right there, perfect alignment.
Finish the brass on this side.
And perfect.
It looks incredible, like a jewel.
This looks amazing.
A true oasis.
Control, this is Alpha 1. The spotlights are fully operational and aligned. The clock is lit.
All right, team, let's bring it in.
Looks perfect down here.
Ladder's clear, almost finished.
Quickly now, the royal arrival is imminent.
Ensure the brass is perfectly polished.
Light the remaining lanterns, hurry.
Keep the line straight over there.
Almost done with the last marker.
The Royal Express is now arriving on track 1. All passengers, please board.
The transformation is complete.